Just like in other Microsoft Office apps, Microsoft OneNote gives you a spelling and grammar checking tool. So let's just type in a sentence right here. This is a sentence with a spelling error. Alright, not here. Error, okay. So there's an error right there, and you can see quickly that it has been underlined red. So if I were to right click, some suggestions are given. So right now you cannot see that because the word is quite different, it is not being able to figure out. But if it is quite similar, let's say for example like this, and you can see that the spelling is error. So if I were to right click, you can see that error is there, so you can simply click on that. But sometimes what happens is that you type in names. For example, if you were to type in my name, I've already added in add that out. Let me just add in something else like this one, and you can see that it shows that this is a spelling error even if it is a name. So in order to make sure that my computer accepts the word from now on, I can simply right click on this and I can press add to dictionary. So this is one of the options right here. So if you have many spelling errors as you go on typing right here, and you can see that some errors are there, I can also do something called proofing by going on to the review tab right here and clicking on the spelling option. So I can click on spelling, and what it does is it checks my entire document for any spelling errors right here. So you can see that if you have many spelling as you going on typing as you are, so I'm actually going to change this out. So now I'm going to these are some suggestions right here, so dress and so forth. So I just want to change this out as you are going on, and here you can see that there's a double T. So let me just go over here, and you can see that this is the option. So typing is the option provided to you, so you can simply click this and the spelling checking is complete, just like that. So that is how you can check spelling and grammar inside of Microsoft OneNote.